What's up, guys? Rock here on another low fuel adventure. On our way to the gas station to get some gas. Don't really know what the plan is today. I am testing out a new mic, so really hope it sounds good. I had like a really expensive, well, not really expensive, like $100 Rode microphone, and I just was not happy with it at all. So anyway, strapped in a new mic, on the way to get some gas. It's very, very overcast today. It's not supposed to rain, but man, it really looks like it might. So this is going to be broke up into a couple different rides, I'm thinking, because I want to fuel up, and then a little later I want to ride over to this coffee shop in a couple towns away, but it doesn't open until noon, and it's only like 10:30 now, I think. So got a little bit before they open. But that's kind of my plan today. I don't know what else. It's Sunday, day before back to work. So yeah, I also want to thank, we've gained like 30 new subscribers in the past few weeks, so I really want to thank everybody for tuning in and hitting that subscribe button and the likes and the comments. And I mean, that's why I do this. I mean, I really want to interact with the community and talk with other moto vloggers, and I think it's a pretty cool thing. I'm a gearhead, so you know, I like to talk bike parts and even like moto vlogging setups, you know, like what cameras are you using, what mics are you using, what's your helmet setup, you know, what position is your microphone in within your helmet, and all these things, because I don't know, I find that really interesting and fun. So update on my previous video, the new Harley Day video. My buddy was looking at that Road Glide and he really likes it. He's just they just can't seem to come to a deal that he feels good about. I think the bike's a 2019. It has 24,000 miles on it, I think, and they're also asking around 24,000 for it. And I mean, for example, they got not a brand new one, I don't think, maybe like a year or two old Road Glide with it's the same price, but it has only 2,000 miles on it. So he's trying to get him down on that blue one that you saw in the video, because he doesn't feel like the price should be the same as an almost brand new one. But they're taking in consideration all the aftermarket parts on that blue one. So, you know, I guess that is, you know, part of the bike buying game. You know, if it's got aftermarket parts, then it's worth a little more, I guess. But they're estimating $10,000 worth of aftermarket parts. I do not see that. You know, I think it's got slip-on exhaust. They did upgrade the stereo system in it, but other than that, I think it's a heated and cooled seat. I'm not seeing $10,000, so I don't know. But you know, I'm not a Harley dealer. I don't wheel and deal motorcycles, so maybe there's something there that I just don't completely understand. So anyway, he's still working on them. I hope he gets it. I think he'd be happier on a Road Glide. He rides a lot with his wife, so it would definitely be more comfortable for the both of them to have a bigger dress their bike, and hey man, get them on a Harley, let's go, right? I want all my friends to be on Harleys. We need to grow our local Harley owners group chapter. Get some young blood in there. So yeah, that's a good one. Like Harley owners group. Who, anybody else part of the Harley's owner group, like a local chapter? You know, what's your experience? How active is your chapter, and what's your expectations from being part of a local chapter? You know, my expectations are pretty low because I'm just kind of getting into it. I'm actually not even officially in one yet. I have my application filled out, my dues paid, so I'm still kind of waiting to get my patches. But I mean, what I'm looking to get out of it, you know, I think group rides would be cool, you know. Of course, like that's why we have motorcycles, right? Is to ride, and to ride with your buddies and groups of people is just even more fun. But also like the charity part of it, right? Like the Christmas toys for tots and things that most chapters do things like that. You know, I'm looking to get into that kind of thing too. I think that's a great thing to have. So that's, you know, that's my expectation. Like, so what's yours, you know, experiences, and have you ever thought about joining one, or kind of where you at? I'd like to know. All right. Get my baby some gas. Total game changer. Diverts the wind like perfect.
Oh man, I need a different fucking helmet, my guy.
Like that one. So I fucked it up when I put the speakers in it. I didn't realize, like, if you took the whole cheek pad out, there was actual like cutouts in the foam to put the speakers in. Like I was putting them in the pocket, so they were like putting pressure points on my head.
Ooh,
And
yeah.
I was like, God, this is
Terrible.
But once I put them there, I'm like, oh, this thing is comfortable as fuck.
Yeah.
Like I got no pressure points. It fits tight. It fits good. The wind noise is low.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm recording a video now. I haven't done a lot of recording in it. I'm just hoping I have a good, because wind is your enemy, right? Like sometimes all you hear is almost just wind noise. So.
Yeah, I mean. On the road again.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. All right, gas is gotten, guys. Man, it looks like it's gonna rain. Shit, it's not supposed to. But there is no sun. Say, I was talking about microphones on the way to get gas. And I really want to shout out another channel. Super cool guy, makes good videos. He's kind of getting started in motovlogging along with me. His name is Varseth. Hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, man, he's a Harley rider. Got a sweet bike. He's looking to possibly get a new crotch rocket, as I call him, but which I fully disagree with. But hey, I'm just kidding. But hey, I'm gonna link his channel down below. He's the one that kind of told me about this mic I'm using. Yeah, man, check out his channel. I mean, support the new guys. You know, I'm a new guy as well. And that's why that's why I'm doing this, because I want to connect with moto vloggers, man. Like, you know, people are cool, and what we're doing out here is cool, and I just kind of want to connect and build a community. Like, it'd be cool to, I don't know where he's from, or, you know, where other moto vloggers are from. It'd be cool to like plan a summer meetup or something if we're within range. And do a ride or plan a ride. So anyway, his name's Varseth. I'm gonna link his channel in the description down below. Check him out, give him a subscribe, give him a like, tell him Rock sent you. But I appreciate it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna maybe post a couple videos today. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video as a completion, I guess, and I'm gonna post another one later, I think. So anyway, thanks for stopping in as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. I love to talk with you guys. But check back later for another one. Peace.